Now the thing that we want to do is write all these documents, which nobody likes. Everybody hates having to sit down and write them. Everybody hates to use them. But right now there's no other way known on this planet to bring control to a process except to design it, model it, draw it up, write the documentation, specifications, parts ought to be ordered, manufacturing processes and maintenance processes written up. Then I have a designed process. There's no other way we can do it at this stage. I cannot do it. I cannot do it in as much as I won't bother about the effort. That decision will produce those results. It must do. You have no controls. You will get no control because you haven't built it into your process. So I don't see any shortcuts but to sit down and go through this and do it well. Take the time to do it well. If you do it well, you're going to get the results you want. So once we design this process and we have the documents, we want to lock it into place. We want to make sure that this is never forgotten, that it's how we will do business forevermore, and we will improve that intentionally with strategies to challenge for better solutions. And that's where the accuracy controlled enterprise comes in. The accuracy controlled enterprise begins with standards. Those tram lines are the first things we have to decide. How good do we need to be to produce those results? And if we aren't good enough yet, well, that's okay. That's part of how we're going to grow the business, how we're going to improve our people and improve myself as well. So it's a quality management system. ACE3T is a quality management system, not ISO 9001. ISO 9001 is a quality management system as well. This is a different approach. Still document based because we have nothing else, that we have to have written designs and written plans, but we're going to be driving the business towards the outcomes that produce standard known outputs. And we're going to use the tools that are already in use across the world. We're not going to invent new tools. We're going to try and use the tools that everybody's used to and are comfortable with, but with a different focus. With a focus that we want that result. Give us that result every single time as quickly and as smartly and as cheaply as possible. But always the quality comes first. So yeah, we are refocusing and using what we know in a way that has a clear intention of producing certain outcomes. So now my plan, do, check, act concept of experimentation and testing an idea fits in with improving the business. Because our first script will not be perfect. But by the 7th or 8th script, we're going to be pretty good.